BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 197 of season 3. Today's word is counterfeit. Counterfeit means a fake copy made to look like the original with an intention to cheat or commit fraud. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word counterfeit. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Counterfeit is spelt as C-O-U-N-T-E-R-F-E-I-T. The word counterfeit means a duplicate copy made which resembles the original. It is made with an intention to cheat others. For example, banks use latest technology-enabled machines to identify counterfeit currency. Listen carefully how we can use the word counterfeit in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The auto spare parts company received several complaints from the clients about the quality of products. The company carried out a detailed market survey and discovered counterfeit parts being supplied in the market by some unknown source. It then took appropriate action to prevent this. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The health insurance company received a claim from a policy holder towards hospitalization for a surgery. During scrutiny, it was found that the bills submitted were counterfeit. Hence, the claim was rejected and the matter was reported to the police. Example number 3 of 8. The interview panel found a mismatch between the knowledge possessed by the candidate and the experience certificates submitted by him as credentials. A cross-check with the relevant companies showed that the certificates were counterfeit and he was disqualified for the job. Let us understand example number 4 of 8. The Economic Offences Wing discovered a big crime racket. It involved a gang which would steal bank checkbooks of bank account holders from the mailboxes and withdraw money from their accounts using counterfeit signatures. Do you know that you can speak in English just like your mother tongue? Get in touch with our trainers for free evaluation of your English and train you to build on your English fluency. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. A customer filed a case against a software company. He demanded compensation for losses caused due to use of company's software. The court-appointed officials visited the customer's site and found that he was using a counterfeit copy of the software. Hence, the case was dismissed by the court. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Inspector Greg was given an award for his exceptional work in exposing a racket of counterfeit passports. These passports were used to take workers illegally across the border. He arrested the mastermind behind this and stopped this activity. Example number 7 of 8. The annual audit of the museum discovered that some of the paintings in the museum were counterfeit. A police complaint was filed and one of the staff members was found to be guilty of replacing the originals with fake ones. Example number 8 of 8. The judge had a suspicion about the sale agreement produced in the court as evidence. He asked the experts to check the same. The experts verified the agreement and confirmed that it was counterfeit. Today we learnt the word counterfeit, which means a fake copy made to look like the original with an intention to cheat or commit fraud. Can you frame 3 sentences with counterfeit and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to build your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 197 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be publishing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.